kami sa Las Piñas. Maya pa yung flight namin.
Divided by the beach, and then not let the shark swim inside. That's called shark net. Why I remind you? Because some people have been to Hong Kong before. They have been to Repulse Bay, to the beach. You also in Hong Kong before, right? Yeah. But because our tour, we don't go to any beach, so I will show you about here's they happen to have a shark net. So I remind you to let you know Hong Kong, the water is deep enough to have the shot. And if you drink it, take time, you need to 1 hour sitting, no way. We only spend a few time and take pictures.
Yeah.
You know where your clothing come from, right? Maybe made in China, and then sell it to USA. And then to USA, of a dancer. That's from Philippines. Oh. You know that? Yes. Famous in the music. Powerful. You know music make our life.
Hey guys, dito kami sa Hong Kong. Ito yung mga kasama ko. Sila mama, sila tito, sila minale, cousins ko, tito. Ayan yung bus.
Kain na tayo. Pwede tayo kumain din.
Dito tayo sa mga building. Halos magkakapantay. Tapos merong river sa gitna. And it is 18 degrees. Oh my God. Dito kami sa Hong Kong. Yes. Sama ko sila Ampet. Sama sila dito. Ito ang Hong Kong, guys. China. Yung mga poster.
各位乘客，本班车即将到达目的地。为了您的安全着想，车辆未停定时，禁止离开座位。离开车厢前，请有序带齐所有行李及个人物品。
Back together, only for the tour. Yeah, only in China. Yeah, even you know, like the Guapo, if he lost his wife, they want to stay in China, maybe find another Guapo Chinese boyfriend. It's not allowed.
Touchdown, China. There's the Shuhai. Gabi na ayaw kami guys. Dito ako may kumain. Hindi ko alam kung anong pangalan. Sarap ng pagkain nila dito. Ito. Ay, wala silang ano. Wala silang signboard. Ay, ito pala. Lamig dito guys. Parang 16 degrees.
7-0.
Guys, here is where we're staying tonight. Pension
Elizabeth. Congratulations.
It's morning breakfast, guys. It's a buffet style breakfast. And tea. You're in first.
Mga kasama ko din, hindi nila alam ako nagtuturo. Hindi alam naman sila isa. Gawa ng kalukalokohan namin.
Here, there were more than 6 different cities. Hong Kong. Yeah, that's why. Every day, before we leave the hotel, it's better go to the washroom. Before we leave one place to another place, it's better go washroom first. Sometimes more than 1.5 hours, sometimes more than 2 hours. If a traffic jam, maybe more than 2.5 hours. Here, because all the gear, they have a very high standard. That means, if you have a bigger wallet, if you have a bigger girlfriend. Otherwise, even you are very guapo, no girlfriend. Yeah, because no money, you very small, don't have a bigger wallet. But that's why we call it, you must, in China, if you work in the first level city, you must working hard. Otherwise, no money, no honey. No money, no girlfriend, no money, nothing. Yeah. That's why I should working hard. Customer close because this seafood restaurant very expensive. Also this yellow color in the Asian China only for the emperor, for the queen use. Yellow color means power and dignity. Yeah, that's why this is for the powerful people. Yeah, still close because no tourists, no customer. Also very expensive. Yeah, but also on the left side, this is the Grand Theatre.